And while the centre has extended the ban imposed on Islamic Research Foundation headed by India-born preacher Zakir Naik by 5 years. Now, the Islamic Research Foundation was first declared an unlawful organisation under the UAPA by the central government on 17 November in the year 2016. In a notification now, the Union Home Ministry has said that the IRF has been indulging in activities which are prejudicial to the security of the country and have the potential of disturbing peace and communal harmony and disrupting the secular fabric of the country. So, Islamic Research Foundation has been banned for 5 more years. The centre has extended the UAPA ban on Zakir Naik's outfit. This is the latest development that we are tracking. It was back in 2016 on the 17th of November when IRF was first declared an unlawful organisation under UAPA, and now in another notification the Union Home Ministry has said that IRF has been indulging in activities which are prejudicial, I repeat, prejudicial to the security of the country and have the potential of disturbing peace and communal harmony and also disrupting the secular fabric of the country. So the central government is of the opinion at the moment that IRF and its members, particularly the founder and president Zakir Naik, has been encouraging and aiding its followers to promote or attempt to promote on grounds of religion, disharmony or feelings of enmity, hatred or ill will between different religious communities and groups which are prejudicial to the integrity and security of the country. And the Home Ministry has said that the statements and speeches made by Zakir Naik are objectionable and subversive, and through them he has been promoting enmity and hatred among religious groups and inspiring youths of a particular religion in India and abroad to commit terrorist acts. So yes, very, very serious allegations that are being levelled by the central government against Zakir Naik. And of course, his outfit is under scanner as well, once again, with the central government deciding and making it very clear that it is of the opinion that if the unlawful activities of the IRF are not curbed and controlled immediately, it will take the opportunity to continue its subversive activities and reorganize its activities who are still, the activists, I beg your pardon, who are still absconding. Now, the ministry has also said that Zakir Naik's activities will disrupt the secular fabric of the country by polluting the minds of the people, by creating communal disharmony, propagate anti-national sentiments, escalate secessionism by supporting militancy, and some people may undertake activities which are prejudicial to sovereignty, integrity and security of the country.